Nagsasagawa na ng mock trial ang House Prosecution Panel bilang paghahanda sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Nakatutok si Tina Panganiban Perez.
We will be very much ready to appear before the impeachment court on the start of the trial, hopefully on July 6, no?
Todo na ang paghahanda ng House Prosecution Panel para sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Nagsasagawa na sila ng mock trial bilang pagsasanay para sa tunay na paglilitis.
It is important that we are doing also the mock trial to give us a feel of how it is to do the direct examination and the cross-examination. Actually, kami-kami lang yan. The 11 prosecutors with some private lawyers. So it's just us asking each other about possible questions which can be raised.
4 ang articles of impeachment. Ang mali umanong paggamit ng confidential funds, pagbabanta sa Pangulo, bribery, at hindi maipaliwanag na yaman. Una raw ihaharap sa paglilitis ang akusasyong pinakamadaling patunayan.
Basta, ang importante, ang gusto namin, yung first salvo, establish agad.
I think we will just do it on a per article basis, no? So we will start with threats and then unexplained wealth, confidential funds misuse, and then bribery. On whichever ground, we have high confidence naman po that talaga makukumbinsi po natin yung po mga senator judges to convict the Vice President.
Meron namang ilang kongresistang bumoto ng no sa impeachment na natanggal sa pagiging chair o vice chair ng komite. Sinisika pa naming kunan sila ng pahayag pero pinabulaanan ng mayorya na konektado ito sa impeachment.
Hindi naman, because the one who decides for that is the political party and of course the whole of Congress.
Sometimes even without constitutional processes like this, maaalala nyo, nagkakaroon naman talaga ng mga reorganization from time to time, di ba?
Tina Panganiban Perez, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.